Oh, my shit is big sizes, baby. Big brothers gotta grab my shit. Yeah. Yo, tell brothers what we doing out here.
Oh, you got this on video.
Yeah, this is the video right here.
Clothing and drive, food drive. Feeding the people. Feeding the people. Get free medical information, get your blood pressure checked. Just over there giving out medical advice and so forth and so on. Every month, first Friday of the month. It's raining, but we still out here getting it in. This is
on behalf of who? What organizations are here?
Oh, we out here representing the Universal Zulu Nation. You got the Black Panther Party, Nation of God and Earth supposed to chime in.
And the N-word, Malcolm X, what is that?
N-word.com?
No. Malcolm X grassroots.
Malcolm X grassroots.
They here too.
Okay, nice.
They just represent, man, trying to feed the people. You know, each one feed one.
That's what it is. All right, brothers. Peace. Brother, what we doing out here? What's going on out here?
Oh, right now we out here feeding the people. Food's gone, but we still got clothes, so we're giving the clothes to the people. We got Sister Khadijah over there doing the blood pressure testing, testing out the health. And she's a registered nurse, so it's about food, and health.
And what organization you represent? Say no more. Zulu Nation. We got a sister from the Black Spades over there. I got to get her the back of her jacket. There you go. Yeah, I see it. So that's peace. Peace.
Peace, peace. It's YG. We out here in Harlem, as you see, serving the community. It's not a gimmick. It's not a game. We out here, free blood pressure tests. We gave out free food. As you see, free clothes. None of this is being charged to anybody. On the 17th, we got a canned food drive coming up. We also got social programs for the kids in Harlem, Bronx, teaching youth education through the hip-hop culture. So come through. It's at 115 McDougal at the Players Theater. No one will be denied. If you have anything you want to speak on, promote, please bring your information. Everyone will have a chance to speak. This is a fundraiser event. Half off the donation entry with the canned food donation. So if you don't have the money, bring a canned food to help donate. All proceeds will be going to the social programs that are 100% free of charge to youth, all ages within the junior high school and high school age group. So take advantage. You can visit more about the program at optimistfoundation.org. We are starting up our fall semester in Harlem and the Bronx. East Harlem to be specific and South Bronx to be specific. If you want more information, you can also visit urbanartsbeat.org and come and donate. You got something to donate, whether it's food, clothing, time, or just your vibes, come through and bring it. Peace and respect, y'all. One love. Free clothes, free blood pressure test. Free clothes, free blood pressure test.
Who are you, sister? Let them know who you are.
I'm chapter 7 and right now, that's what happened with those guys.
That's what it is. Peace.
Photo album, video album.
Video.
Peace from the Universal Zulu Nation. Looks like me. I got more. We got clothing giving away here. Brought to you by the Black Panther Party and the Universal Zulu Nation. In collaboration. Always good. Thank you. Thank you. Dick.
Where you from, brother?
Zulu Nation, chapter 18, Lost Prophecy.
And what's going on over here? What's going on over here?
Basically, we just giving back, you know? Coming out to the hood, bringing them some food, some clothes, some health information, just helping the people, you know?
That's what it is. And where we at? We in Harlem right now?
Yeah, we in Harlem. We are 125 in between. We on Lexington in between 125 and 124.
Well, it's definitely a beautiful thing.
Got the Panthers, got the new Black Panther Party, Universal Zulu Nation, Black Spades. We out here.
Well, you see, it's going well.
Yeah.
Well, peace.